Hi guys, in this video we talk about Google Pixel 4 XL versus OnePlus 70. The both mobile come with 4G and the screen protection of these devices Gorilla Glass 5 and dual SIM and eSIM support. The Google Pixel 4 XL come with POLED 90Hz refresh rate and the screen size is 6.3-inch 2K screen resolution. The OnePlus 70 come with full AMOLED display, 90Hz, 6.55-inch display, 1080p resolution. The both mobile come with Android 10 operating system. The Google Pixel 8 4XL come with Snapdragon 855 7nm and the OnePlus 70 come with Snapdragon 855 plus 7nm. The both mobile come with 640 GPU and Reno, and the Google Pixel 4 XL come with 6 gigs and 64 gigs and 128 gigs of ROM. No SD card, no memory card support in this mobile. The OnePlus 70 come with 8 gigs of RAM